We humans, we love a good story. We weave tales of heroes and villains, love and loss. But there's a grander narrative unfolding all around us. A story written in the very code of life itself. It's the tale of the selfish gene, as told by the brilliant Richard Dawkins.
Now, before you go picturing genes wearing tiny monocles and plotting world domination, let me explain. Dawkins's selfish isn't about conscious greed, but rather a beautiful, elegant principle. Genes have an inherent drive to replicate, to make more copies of themselves.
Think of it like this. Imagine genes throwing a never-ending party, and the guest list is exclusive to, well, more genes. The more copies a gene makes, the more successful it is in the grand evolutionary game.
But how do these tiny chemical sequences, these blueprints of life, actually pull it off? That's where things get really interesting. Genes, you see, are masters of manipulation. They orchestrate the grand show of life, nudging their host organisms, that's us, to behave in ways that increase their chances of replication.
Ever wonder why birds lay so many eggs? Or why salmon swim upstream to spawn? It's all part of the gene's cunning plan to ensure their own survival, generation after generation.
How can these mindless molecules be so clever? The answer lies in mutation and natural selection, the dynamic duo of evolution.
Mutations are tiny typos in the genetic code. Most are harmless, some are bad, but sometimes a mutation gives an organism an advantage.
Imagine light-colored moths blending against tree bark. A mutation produces a darker moth. When trees darken due to pollution, the darker moth is better camouflaged, less likely to be spotted by predators.
This lucky moth survives longer, reproduces more, and passes on its dark-winged genes. That's natural selection at work, favoring the fittest, shaping life's diversity over eons.
Genes also shape behavior. Take the mockingbird, a maestro of mimicry. Its ability to copy songs, even car alarms and gates, isn't just a party trick.
It's a genetically driven behavior to attract mates and defend territory, all to pass on those genes.
Now, before you start thinking evolution is all about graceful gazelles and harmonious bird song, let's talk about nature's tricksters, parasites. These crafty critters have taken the selfish gene concept to a whole new level.
Take the emerald cockroach wasp, for example. This tiny insect, with a deceptively beautiful name, turns cockroaches into zombie slaves. How, you ask? By injecting them with a potent venom that manipulates their nervous system.
The cockroach, now under the wasp's control, becomes a living, breathing incubator for the wasp's eggs. Gruesome? Perhaps. Effective? Absolutely.
The wasp's genes have hit upon a brilliant, albeit chilling, strategy for survival. And it's not just insects. From viruses hijacking our cells to cuckoo birds laying their eggs in other birds' nests, the natural world is rife with examples of parasites using cunning strategies to ensure the success of their own genes, even at the expense of others.
Let's return to the melodious world of birdsong for a moment. Have you ever noticed how bird songs vary from region to region? A robin's tune in New York City sounds different from one sung in a California redwood forest.
These regional dialects, passed down through generations, are a testament to the power of cultural evolution, a phenomenon not limited to US humans.
Young birds learn their songs from their elders, mimicking and refining their tunes over time. This cultural transmission of information, much like our own languages and traditions, adds another layer of complexity to the evolutionary story.
It shows that evolution isn't just about genes slowly changing over millennia. It's also about the rapid interplay of behavior, learning, and culture, all shaping the tapestry of life in real time.
Stepping back from the intricacies of genes and birdsong, let's ponder a bigger question. What does it all mean? The vastness of the cosmos, the fleeting beauty of life, the inevitability of death. These are the grand mysteries that have captivated philosophers and stargazers for centuries.
We are but stardust, after all, collections of atoms forged in the hearts of long-dead stars, brought to life on this pale blue dot we call Earth.
Knowing this, how can we not feel a sense of awe and wonder? How can we not cherish the precious gift of life in all its messy, chaotic, and awe-inspiring glory?
Yes, genes may be selfish, driving their own replication with ruthless efficiency, but we, as conscious beings, have the capacity to transcend our biological programming.
We can choose to embrace empathy, compassion, and a sense of shared responsibility for our planet and all its inhabitants.
Speaking of transcendence, let's talk about memes. No, not the funny cat pictures and viral videos that dominate the internet, though those are fun too. I'm talking about Richard Dawkins' other groundbreaking concept, the meme.
Just as genes are units of biological information, memes are units of cultural information, ideas, beliefs, behaviors, fashion trends that spread from mind to mind, replicating and evolving along the way.
Think about it. Language itself is a meme, a complex system of symbols and sounds that has allowed us to communicate, collaborate, and build civilizations. Religion, music, art, scientific theories, all memes passed down through generations, shaping our values, beliefs, and understanding of the world.
Just like genes, memes can be incredibly successful at replicating, sometimes even at the expense of their human hosts. The spread of misinformation, harmful ideologies, and viral trends highlights the power and potential dangers of memes.
It's a reminder that we must be critical thinkers, questioning the information we encounter and choosing to amplify ideas that promote understanding, empathy, and progress.
We humans crave knowledge, meaning, and a sense of purpose. But we also grapple with existential fears, fear of the unknown, fear of death, and our seemingly insignificant place within the cosmos.
These fears are primal but can paralyze us, preventing us from embracing our full potential.
By embracing reason, curiosity, and wonder, we can move forward. Acknowledge fears, but don't let them dictate actions. Recognize we are part of a grand, interconnected web of life. The universe awaits.